Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Sunday. I'm just gonna create a nice cute little, cutesy look. So if you wanna see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind.
And we're definitely gonna use this palette.
Everyone keep looking like you.
So in the order V, I'm gonna go in with Opalent, which is this color, the blue. And this is on a T36 from Makeup Shack. I haven't bought Makeup Shack stuff in a minute. I used to be obsessed with their brushes, but I have so many brushes. I just haven't really bought anything new in a minute, to be honest. Especially eyeshadow brushes, I just don't need them. Don't need them. And just keep on applying. So this is blending very well. So that's good because dark colors like this can be very difficult, Very difficult. There's a 433 from Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna go to the edges, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Elegance, and I'm just gonna put it like literally on the edge. And then just keep on blending it. Like so, and then I'm gonna go back to this for a little bit. And just keep blending. Remember, like, it's okay if you have to go back in and then go back out, because it just, sometimes you have to do it to blend everything in. Perfect. So now I just need a little glitter glue. I like to put the glitter glue like on the back of my finger and then just tap it like this. And then just put it here. And I think I'm gonna put Majestic, and I'm gonna use this M421. Majestic is like this shade. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this. This is a Y212, and I'm thinking, is this gonna blend this? I'm gonna use Transcendent Beauty right here, and just to blend this out a little bit. Okay. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and I'm gonna use my Paragon MD No Makeup Foundation Serum. I don't even know. Ooh. And this is my love, is the foundation brush. Oh shoot. I haven't used this in a minute, which now I'm like, what? I'm seeing why I didn't. This is very liquidy and there's like literally no coverage. Maybe that's like for a no makeup look kind of thing. It matches me very well though. Very, very well. But it is very liquidy. And very much no coverage. But that's fine because I'm not doing anything crazy today, so maybe I don't need any crazy makeup or base because you know that eye is already a lot. But serum foundations are usually like that, like don't expect anything, you know, crazy. And I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty concealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. I'm gonna use this. This is actually from NARS. It is the Laguna 04. And I'm gonna use my Lithe blush. This is a Flawless Concealer Blush. It's a wrap. Who is this from? Actually, it's Melt Cosmetics. And that one is, it doesn't say, it just say Melt Cosmetic, and you just take an angle brush like this. And then let us blend this concealer. I'm gonna use this brush, my slick brush. I'm trying not to put like too much, you know, because the foundation is so light. Oh, not so light, sorry. So yeah, lightweight. I'm not trying to do, you know, too much. And then just right here. Oops, I don't even know what fell. And then right here. And then just right here. See? Perfect, 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 perfect. All my stuff is like all over the place. I definitely need to find these things because I'm like, girl. See, you see why I caught this? Because it just takes forever to like do this. And then just tap it here, the side of the nose, pretty much everywhere you put the concealer, you just not too much. And then I'm gonna go into my micro smooth powder, just tap this, tap this, tap this, and then just like, I don't know, I feel like I need to put a little bit more under my eye. Yep, because that's gonna crease. Crease, 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 crease. So yep, just keep tapping this, sending the text. I'm gonna use my matte rich golden skin finish from MAC. And my Alleyoop brush. And just, you know, just moving that out a little bit so it doesn't look too crazy. And for blush, I'm gonna use my Cheeky Bits Extra Dimension blush from MAC. And my Japonesque brush. And a little highlighter. Let me use my Black Panther collab. Okay, and for lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Kevyn Aucoin Unforgettable Lip Definer, which is what I got in my Boxy Charm. What shade is this? Minimal. And then I'm gonna use the Kevyn Aucoin lipstick, and this one is in shade Falmadora. Yep, Falmadora Cream. Yeah. Okay, so this is the look. I actually really like how everything came out. It's kind of nice and simple. I like my headband. It's all, you know, springy. But yeah, and my little thingies for my hair. So yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.
When you're sweet talking to me, now I'm talking sweet over myself.